Right now, you are living a fantasy. You believe in a world of flat, equal opportunities where good things just happen to good people. You think life is a gentle path, and if only others behave better, your problems would simply vanish. You are fooled. The cold, hard truth? The world is not flat. It's a brutal, unforgiving 3D mountain, a hierarchy of classes. Heavy iron gates are designed to keep you exactly where you are. While millions blame everyone else, lost in their screens, watching mindless content day and night, waiting for luck, others are already climbing. They know, blaming external things, your upbringing, your circumstances, it's all an excuse. Here's the radical truth. If something isn't working in your life, it's your fault. Your health, your money, your relationships, it's your responsibility. This isn't about shame. It's about claiming absolute power. Because when it's your fault, you hold the power to change it. You have a choice. There's pain in progress, but there's also pain in stagnation and decline. It's hard to do well, but it's equally hard to live a life of failure. You must choose your pain. Choose your hard. While society constantly tosses cheap pleasures at you, endless social media, sugary foods, instant entertainment, most people are soft and weak. They get sucked into these traps, wasting their motivation on temporary hits of dopamine that demand no effort. This destroys their drive for real achievement. Your brain is designed for earned dopamine, the deep satisfaction that comes after consistent, hard work. You must silence that loser voice inside you that demands instant comfort. That voice tells you to quit, to be lazy, to give in to every temptation. You have to become good at telling it to shut the hell up. Start with your body. Never ignore your fitness. It's the foundational rule for everything else. Exercise builds unshakable mental fortitude. It teaches discipline and how to push through discomfort. Eat real, whole foods. Honor your sleep. These aren't just for looking good. They are for forging the beast within you to face the world. Life is uphill. Every single day, you must choose to climb. Chase the hard things. Don't avoid discomfort. Actively seek it out. Break down your massive goals, your elephants, into tiny, manageable pieces and conquer them one bite at a time. And when the world changes, when obstacles appear, don't lament. Be the cockroach. Adapt, adjust, survive, and thrive no matter the environment. Today, you stop accepting mediocrity. You stop being a victim of circumstance. Take concrete action. Change something. Make your life amazing. Start now. Protect this newfound discipline like your life depends on it, because it does. In 5 years, you will either be the person who changed everything today, who climbed their mountain and reached massive success, or the one still dreaming, still blaming, still stuck at the bottom. Your choice, your life. Start now.